17 Surprising Health Benefits of Lemon Water, the Ultimate Detox and Hydration Drink. Introduction to lemon water, a healthy beverage. Lemon water is a simple and refreshing beverage that has been gaining popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. It is made by infusing water with fresh lemon slices, creating a flavorful and hydrating drink that is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. With its low-calorie content and natural flavor, lemon water is the perfect choice for anyone looking to improve their health and hydration levels. In this video, we will explore the 17 health benefits of lemon water and why you should make it a regular part of your daily routine. Boosts immune system, the vitamin C powerhouse. Lemon water is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in maintaining a strong immune system. This essential nutrient helps to protect the body from harmful free radicals and fights off illness and disease. Regularly consuming lemon water can help to boost your immunity and keep you healthy and protected from illness. Aids in digestion, the natural detoxifier. Lemon water is known for its digestive benefits, as it helps to flush out toxins from the body and stimulate the production of bile, an essential digestive enzyme. This can help to relieve symptoms of indigestion, improve digestion, and keep your gut healthy and functioning properly. Whether you suffer from digestive problems or just want to improve your gut health, lemon water is a great choice. Hydrates the body, the morning pick-me-up. Lemon water is a great source of hydration, especially when consumed in the morning. This can help to jumpstart your metabolism and provide a much-needed boost of hydration to start your day. Whether you are dehydrated from a long night's sleep or just looking for a refreshing drink to kickstart your day, lemon water is the perfect choice. Promotes healthy skin, the youthful glow. Lemon water is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin. This can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Whether you are looking to maintain your youthful appearance or simply want to improve the health of your skin, lemon water is a great choice. Supports weight loss, the natural appetite suppressant. Lemon water can help to support weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing hunger. This can help to prevent overeating and promote healthy weight loss. Whether you are looking to lose weight or simply want to maintain a healthy weight, lemon water is a great choice. Improves mood, the natural mood booster. Lemon water has a natural uplifting effect on the mood, making it a great choice for those who struggle with anxiety or depression. Whether you are feeling stressed, anxious, or just need a boost of energy, lemon water is a great choice. Reduces inflammation, the anti-inflammatory drink. Lemon water contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as arthritis and heart disease, and improve overall health. Whether you suffer from chronic inflammation or simply want to reduce your risk of disease, lemon water is a great choice. Supports liver health, the detoxifying drink. Lemon water can help to support liver health by flushing out toxins and improving liver function. This can help to prevent liver damage and improve overall health. Whether you are looking to maintain healthy liver function or simply want to improve your overall health, lemon water is a great choice. Promotes healthy urination, the natural diuretic. Lemon water is a natural diuretic, which can help to promote healthy urination and prevent urinary tract infections. This can help to flush out toxins from the body and improve overall kidney function. Whether you are looking to improve your urinary health or simply want to improve your overall health, lemon water is a great choice. Enhances mental clarity, the brain booster. Lemon water is known for its ability to enhance mental clarity and improve focus. This can help to improve productivity and focus, making it a great choice for anyone who needs a boost of energy throughout the day. Whether you are looking to improve your mental clarity or simply want to improve your overall health, lemon water is a great choice. Reduces acidity, the alkaline drink. Lemon water is naturally alkaline, which can help to reduce acidity levels in the body. This can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as cancer and heart disease, and improve overall health. Whether you are looking to maintain a healthy pH balance or simply want to reduce your risk of disease, lemon water is a great choice. Prevents dehydration, the hydration hero. Lemon water is a great source of hydration, especially in the summer months when dehydration is more common. This can help to keep you hydrated and prevent the symptoms of dehydration, such as headaches and fatigue. Whether you are looking to prevent dehydration or simply want to improve your overall health, lemon water is a great choice. Supports heart health, the cardiovascular champion. Lemon water can help to support heart health by reducing the risk of heart disease and improving cardiovascular function. This can help to reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. Whether you are looking to maintain healthy heart function or simply want to reduce your risk of heart disease, lemon water is a great choice. Improves breath, the natural breath freshener. Lemon water has a natural freshening effect on the breath, making it a great choice for anyone who wants to improve their oral health. This can help to prevent bad breath and improve overall oral health. Whether you are looking to improve your oral health or simply want to freshen your breath, lemon water is a great choice. Supports kidney health, the renal champion. Lemon water can help to support kidney health by flushing out toxins and improving renal function. This can help to prevent kidney damage and improve overall kidney health. Whether you are looking to maintain healthy kidney function or simply want to improve your overall health, lemon water is a great choice. Improves eye health, the visionary drink. Lemon water contains antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which can help to protect the eyes from damage and improve overall eye health. This can help to reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases, such as cataracts and macular degeneration, and improve overall eye health. Whether you are looking to maintain healthy eyes or simply want to reduce your risk of eye disease, lemon water is a great choice. Alkalizes the body, the pH balancer. Lemon water is naturally alkaline, which can help to balance the pH levels in the body. This can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as cancer and heart disease, and improve overall health. Whether you are looking to maintain a healthy pH balance or simply want to reduce your risk of disease, lemon water is a great choice. Lemon honey water recipe. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon honey, 8 cups of water. Instructions: wash the lemon and cut it into thin slices. Boil 8 cups of water in a saucepan. Add the sliced lemon to the boiling water and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Remove the saucepan from heat and let the lemon water cool to room temperature. Stir in 1 teaspoon of honey until it dissolves completely. Strain the lemon honey water into a pitcher and refrigerate until cold. Serve over ice and enjoy the refreshing and healthy drink. This lemon honey water recipe is a great way to hydrate and detoxify your body, while also enjoying the delicious and natural sweetness of honey. The honey helps to balance the sour taste of the lemon, making it a great option for those who prefer a sweeter drink. This lemon honey water recipe is a great way to start your day or to enjoy throughout the day as a refreshing and healthy beverage. Enjoy! In conclusion, lemon water is a simple and affordable way to maintain good health. From boosting the immune system to reducing the risk of chronic diseases, lemon water offers a wide range of health benefits. Whether you are looking to improve your overall health, reduce your risk of disease, or simply enjoy a refreshing drink, lemon water is a great choice. It is easy to make, and you can customize it to your liking by adding other ingredients, such as honey, mint, or ginger. So, try incorporating lemon water into your daily routine and start reaping the benefits today.